Alright guys, it's been a few days. It's actually been a week since I sent my seatbelts. I sent them on Monday and I got them on Monday. But let me just open it up, remove all the packaging, and we're gonna look at the seatbelts. Alright guys, so let's talk about the seatbelts. Maybe they're not what they used to be on your car. Maybe they're old, worn out, they don't excite you anymore, or you just probably got bored of the same color that you had it for so long and you want to spice things up inside your car. Or maybe your friend's dog decided to use it as a new toy and chewed on them. Or maybe they just get stuck as you pull on them, or they loose, they're not as tight as they used to be, or you want to have just something pretty cool inside your car. There is an option for it. I tried to do this upgrade on my own before, but the belts I got were not the same, so I was not able to install them.
Flashback.
Yeah, hopefully it's all gonna be working fine. I actually found this very cheap on eBay, but hopefully. So what I'm actually gonna try to do, I'm gonna remove the belts. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Of course it's gonna be different for every car, so you just have to follow your own instructions of your car, make and model, but basically it's gonna be all the same. I'm gonna remove both of my passenger and the driver's seat belts. I'm gonna package them and I'm gonna send them. They actually can fix your seat belt. They can re-web the belt. They can put a different color in it or keeps the same one. They're also working on resetting the airbag sensor. So in case your car was in an accident or you were out on a trail and you somehow managed to hit the tree, let's say that was unavoidable, and airbags deployed or something, they can reset the sensors. So they actually work with the companies, the body shops, that's like their main customer, and they fix seat belts and they raise the code. And yeah, the company name is actually a Safety Restore. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, but for now let me remove the seat belts. I'm gonna show you quickly how to do it. I'm gonna send the belts to them, and then I'm gonna take a few days and I'm gonna get the new belts, hopefully, and it's gonna be different color. I hope you guys gonna be excited about it. So just to be on the safe side, gonna disconnect the battery for now. I'm gonna leave it on the side. There you go. This plastic piece just comes out like that. So now we have a first bolt over here, which is a 14 millimeters. So let's unscrew this. Now let's remove this plastic over here just with a screwdriver. Can pop it out. There we go. And let's remove the second bolt. This plastic cover over here, just with a screwdriver can pry it out carefully, and it should come off. There we go, something like that, and it's out. So now we have another 14 millimeter bolt over here. So let's unscrew this. Most of the bolts are 14 millimeter, with the exception of a couple of 10 millimeters. Okay, and this one is out. So I'm actually gonna try to remove this metal clip holding over here, so I don't have to send this bolt. I'm only gonna send this. This one you can just remove it with a screwdriver. Pry this weathering strip out a little bit, and we can pry on this plastic, and it's gonna come off. We just have to separate these two parts over here, but that way we can remove this plastic. Just pry it out, guys, and just with a little bit of a gentle force, it's gonna come out. All right, and the piece is out. So now over here we can push this to the side, and this is the plate we have to remove. So let's continue removing them. So 12 millimeter here, another one over there, and then there is one more there. Alright, so now I believe I removed them all. There is two 12 millimeter here, one 10 millimeter here, and a 12 millimeter over here. So now this bracket can come out, but because it's under the seat, so we kind of have to push the seat up, and then carefully, that's the main part, carefully. Alright, we can take this out, and now it's gonna be a perfect time to clean it and paint it. Now I have to carefully push this out to the side. We don't have to take the whole thing out. And now we can take this to the side, and with a 14mm wrench we can remove this bolt. Alright, and the top bolt is out. It also has this security thing over here, so I'm gonna just unscrew this. As you can see, just by holding it and screwing this, it actually comes out. That way we don't have to send them the extra hardware, so it's gonna be lighter as well. I'm gonna put it to the side, and also gonna do the same with this one. Gonna remove this bolt out as well. So now we have this little plug over here. That little plug, we have to carefully pull up on a black lead over there. I hope you guys can see this, the black lead over there. But as far as I know, this has to just go up. There we go, it popped out, as you can see. Now we can, that's it, the sensor is disconnected. So now all we have to do is a 14mm here and a 10mm over here. And that's it, guys. That's the last of it. Now we can remove the seatbelt. There you go, guys, and it's out. A little bit dusty. Now there's actually a charge in there, so that's one of the explosive charge in there. So that's actually one of the reasons why I didn't want to disassemble this on my own and stuff like that. I want professionals to do this. So this is done. I'm gonna remove this bolt. Gonna do the same one with the passenger side, and this is ready to be shipped out. Now on the passenger side, there's a little bit different. There is an extra sensor wire going into the seatbelt buckle as well, which is right there. So there is a little cover we can remove, and then we can unplug that sensor. So I'm gonna do that. Remove this bolt as well, and all the rest is pretty much the same. So now that the plastic is out, there's better view. So there is the plug over here. But the good engineers, of course, the part that is removable has a clip, so it actually clips to the body over here, not the part that stays on the truck. Very smart, but that's besides the point. Alright guys, so both belts are out, so now I'm gonna package them nicely. Also here's the printout. Just not gonna show all the details, but this paper you have to include it with a box. So now I'm gonna package it and send it out. Much later. Alright guys, it's been a few days. It's actually been a week since I sent my seatbelts to Safety Restore. I sent them on Monday and I got them on Monday. I already opened up the box just to make sure everything is there, but let me just open it up, remove all the packaging, and we're gonna look at the seatbelts, and then it's just gonna be a basic reverse procedure of installation. I'm not gonna include that. I'm just gonna show you guys the seatbelts afterwards. And there we go, guys. Here's the seatbelt. Here's the color. It looks pretty. It looks very pretty. Not gonna deny. So they just changed it all up, and yeah. And one thing though, they actually keep the original tags. They take them off from OEM seatbelts and they transfer them over. So all the labels, all the tags are intact. They actually move them over, so it's pretty much original again. And like I said, this could be any color. They can pretty much customize you any color. They can you just pick and choose, and yeah. So but now I'm just gonna take my time, install them, and then we're gonna take a look how they look inside. And while everything was off, I actually, since these parts were out, I tried to send them off as best I could, and I actually painted them. So now it should be much better. Hopefully it's not gonna rust as much as it was before. Just keep in mind, one is for the left side, one is for the right side. They have marks over here, but you can always see where the bolts have fit in place. Now one thing though, it comes with a zip tie over here. Just don't forget to cut the zip tie, but just be very careful, don't damage your brand new seat belt. Just cut it off and you can continue with assembly. And of course, absolutely don't forget to connect all your sensors. Make sure you connect them all. Alright guys, so I just took some time and I installed the seat belts, so let's take a look at them. Don't mind my dirty car. And there we go guys, just look at them, how pretty they are. And they exactly the same, exactly the color that I wanted. Not too bright and not too dark. This is perfect. I don't know how much the cameras will show the color and the quality, but this looks good and feels good, and yeah, and they work. They retract, of course. If I remove it, they go back into the position where they want it, and they match my seat colors pretty good as well. And since I on the interior I have everything in blue pretty much, so this is pretty good. I like it. Came out really nice, guys. It really refreshes the interior of the truck.